Okay, so we take a look the index, all right? Index actually, so if you still remember previously, I did mention, okay, the STI index actually was in the peak. Do you still remember? So I actually draw these two dots, all right? So in English, we call double top, okay? Double top means that when the double top is being formed, okay, we will see, you know, the market is going to sell down, all right? Which is true, okay? The market actually sell down recently after they reached the peak, all right? So I did mention the market was near the peak already. 所以在98的这个就是在那时候在958的电台哈，我也是有跟这个听众讲过了哈，就是说海峡指数其实是在高点哦，然后就是说劝告大家会小心啦，比较小心，因为海峡指数那时候是在3450点，从3450点跌下来。So the next level of the support will be somewhere around 3,300. OK， 所以接下来的支持点有差不多是在3300点了哈，3300点如果没有跌破的话，有可能这个支持线哦成为我们的买点了哈，成为我们的买点哦，好不好？所以 this is important. This is how you time market also. All right. So basically, this is a resistance. So this might be a support level, all right? Okay, let me do this, all right? So probably they drop somewhere around 3.5%, okay, 3.5%, all right? So maybe drop another 1%, okay? Hopefully the price might rebound, okay? Right. So hopefully something like this one. Right. Hopefully something like this one. If let's say they break below, what will happen? Okay. Then it will go down here, somewhere here, support level. Right. Can. Then we take a look. S&P 500. Okay. 500强，美国500强公司. Right. So recently the pullback also quite a lot. Right. You can see that the pullback somewhere around here, okay, around 4.7%, around 4.7%. And then previously, where is the resistance? Okay, the resistance is here actually, all right? Okay, so you can see that resistance is here, here, and then they pull back, all right? So in fact, you take a look, this is the support level, all right? This quite can consider as a support level, okay? Reason is because what? Reason is because of this one, right? And another support level will be somewhere here. Okay, so if let's say the price drop, then it probably will drop here, okay, before they rebound, right? So today closing is very important, right? Because this is a bearish candlestick. Okay, bearish candlestick might drop below, okay, but what if the price stay above here and might rebound? Okay, anything can happen, so you have to observe lah. Okay, you have to observe, right? So the most important thing is that you must know when to sell. Okay, you must know when to sell lah, right? So that's why you can see this is a peak. 可以看到吗？所以这个是高点 ，OK。如果你们之前在这边买的话 ，OK， 它涨了过后 ，OK， 你这边就要卖了 ，OK， 你没有卖的话，它又下跌回来 ，OK， 下跌回来，你之前买的股票有可能亏回了，或者是不赚钱。So that means a lot of people focus on the buying, which is nothing wrong, but however, you also need to focus on selling as well. Okay, if you do not sell, if you do not know when to sell, or if you do not know how to sell, all right, then what we call that, then the price will drop. Okay, the price will drop, then your profit might be wiped out. Okay, your profit might be wiped out. All right. And then we take a look NASDAQ, okay, 科技股的指数 ，OK， 科技股的美国科技股的指数哈 ，right， 也是大跌很多，所以你可以看到哦，他们的 pattern 其实是差不多一样的 ，OK， 他们的状况哦其实是差不多一样的哦，所以 this is a resistance，and then the price actually pull back. All right. So what I mean is that the patterns, all right, for the stock market, right, is quite similar. So that means the pattern always repeat itself, lah. All right, the pattern always repeat itself. So that's why you have to, must learn how to identify the patterns, okay, so that you can make a decision whether when to take profit and when to sell. All right. So 其实我要说的话就是说我希望说你们可以学习这个怎样看这个图表哦，因为学习看图表的话，它的关键是在哪里，你知道吗？就是说你可以看到哪里是买进的机会，然后哪里是卖出的机会。很多人往往他不会卖出，所以导致他的股票就是说亏损了哦。So that's why education is very important. So therefore the price actions workshop, okay, if you can try to sign up, okay, and so that I can share with you how to identify the support level and the resistance level. Okay, so you can see that right now are they near support level? Okay, it's quite near actually. All right, it's quite near. So this is one of the support level here. All right, you can see. Okay, but however the price, the way they drop is very aggressive. Okay, gap down, 2-time gap down. So the way they drop is very, very aggressive. Okay, so that's why today US closing is very important. So if they close above the support level, then that would be great. If they close below, then we afraid that the price might continue to sell down again. Okay, so today closing is very important, right? Okay, down or sell down again, right? So when is the support level? Okay, there are quite number of support level here. Okay, here's another one. And then here's another one. Right. Okay. So my suggestion to you is that also watch out, okay, if let's say they rebound, so that you can buy lah, okay. So that's why you can see that when the price near resistance, you don't go and buy already lah. A lot of people wait until here, then they go and buy, then the price started to drop, right? 所以很多朋友的话，如果你是不会做股票的话，通常你是会买在高点的哦。买了高点过后呢，怎样办 ？OK， 它的股票开始下跌。所以我的意思是说，不要去追高了哈。所以等它回调 ，OK， 现在已经回调了，所以你要做好准备咯。OK， 看要买什么股票 ，OK， 所以做好准备要买什么股票 ，OK。当它有反弹的时候 ，OK， 你就买进了哦。反弹它也是会有那个 pattern，OK。So when they rebound，OK，they also show some pattern，especially the candlestick pattern. So that's why you must learn how to look at the candlestick pattern as well, right? Okay, and then what else? Okay, Hang Seng, right? So Hang Seng, based on the past record, like for example, this one. Okay, so the average drawdown is 42%. Okay, Average draw now is 42% for Hang Seng Stock Index. So let us take a look. Okay, the Hang Seng Stock Index. So this is the peak. Right. So this is the peak, and then this is the bottom. Okay. So the peak and the bottom. And followed by the bottom here. Right. So they actually dropped around 41.6%, okay, which is quite close to 42%. Can you see that? All right. So after they drop near 41.6%, all right, you see the index started to rebound. Okay, the index started to rebound, right? So recently the price pulled back. Okay, the support level. Okay, here's a support level. Okay, so this is a support level. All right, so hopefully the price will move in these directions. Move in the box. Will it happen? Or maybe the price break below. All right. Okay. So no confirmation yet. All right. So let us continue to observe now. Huh? Okay. So you can see that this is dodgy actually. Okay. So the dodgy is a good sign basically. So hopefully the price will rebound. Huh? Hopefully the price will rebound. Okay. Can. Right. So this is a Hang Seng Index. So next thing we take a look the recovery, right? So 2020年会是一个强劲的需求了哈，所以2022 will be a solid demand for this services industry, especially the airline airline, all right? Because airline is not fully recovered, okay? It's not fully recovered yet, okay? So it has not been fully recovered, all right? So that's why you can see that airline industry, you still have the potentials. You still have the potentials, all right? And then what else? Okay, the tourism industry and the travel industry might be, what we call that a benefit if what we call that the restriction, okay, are lifted. Okay, the restriction are lifted. Okay, so that's why you can see that recently, right? The Prime Minister Lee Hsien Loong mentions that they started to open up the border. Previously, the SIA, SATS, and SIA Engineering also shoot up. Okay, the price actually shoot up. Okay, quite high. So because of what? Because of their industry is not fully recovered yet. Right. So these are some of the stock latest movement. Okay, and it's not for buy and sell call. All right. Okay. So disclaimer. All right. Some of the stock are quite bullish. Okay, we have the Hourglass. Okay, Hourglass, which is selling luxury watch. Okay, and then we have a shipping industry. That's why I say the transportations become so expensive. It actually benefit the shipping industry as well. All right. So we have Excelpoint. Okay. So we take a look at the stocks. Okay, one by one. All right. So the hourglass. Okay, the hourglass. Right. So the hourglass is actually quite uptrend. Okay, the hourglass is actually quite uptrend. All right. So recently they also pull back. Okay, they also pull back. Okay, and it's a quite you can see that the price actually pull back. Okay, so hopefully the price will rebound again. All right, so this is a buying opportunity actually. So it's a buying opportunity. All right. Okay, so this is a hourglass. Okay, uptrend, super uptrend. And then we have Samudera. Okay, Samudera. Okay, so it's Samudera. Okay, they also work move in the boxes. Okay, it's an interesting what we call that, right? Okay, so you can see that the price move inside the box and then rebound. Okay, move and then rebound. Okay, so now the price move. Okay, will rebound. Right. So it looked like it will rebound. Okay, it will go breakout. Okay, it will go breakout. Right. So can you see that? So this was my previous drawing. Right. So hopefully the price will rebound or break out from the what we call that, from the box. Okay, from the box. And then we also have an Excelpoint. Right, so Excelpoint also break out from the box. Can you see that? Excuse me. So it's a super uptrend stock, and the price actually move in a sideway, and then they actually break out. Okay, break out. So right now is quite interesting. Okay, right. So the price might actually move. So the price might move here, move here, move here, then break out again. Right. So it's a quite a bullish stock actually. Right. So the price actually break out from the box. So this is an Excelpoint. And then we have a First Resources. So First Resources actually rebound. Okay, they also move in the box. Can you see that? So they move in the box. Right. So previously I draw this pattern, right? Because the price actually move in the box. Okay, the price actually move in the box, and then there's no confirmation yet during that time. Okay, so it's depend if they break down. Okay, it will go down lah. If they break out, then they will go up. Okay, so right now they are moving inside the box, so we can see that this part actually, okay, they trade near the support level, and then after that the price rebound. All right, so it's quite interesting. Okay, you can see that the pattern repeat itself lah. Okay, the pattern repeat itself. All right, and Bumitama. Okay, so Bumitama also move in these directions. Right, so what happened? Okay, they move in this symmetrical triangle. All right, will they break out? Okay, so we continue to observe lah. Okay, look like it will to break out lah. Look like it will break out, right? Because of this one. Okay, look like it will break out. So we continue to observe. And then golden agri. So golden agri also move up slowly. All right, move up slowly. Okay, and then right. So maybe the price, right? So look like they are going up. Okay, look like they are going up. So potential upsize. Okay, potential upsize lah. Okay, and then we have Sembcorp industry. Right. So the Sembcorp industry also recently break out. Okay, they recently break out right from the what we call that, from the resistance. Okay, from the resistance. Okay, break out from the resistance recently. Okay, so I think I managed to call for this stock. I think if you still remember, let me check if I still have the picture or not. Yeah, this one. All right. So this was my posting. Okay, this was my posting. And then the price actually break out. Okay, the price actually break out previously. Yep, this one. Right. So this is a Sembcorp Marine. Okay, before they break out. All right. Eight of this what we call that, November. So before they break out. So before they break out, okay, there was what we call that, ascending triangle pattern. Okay, ascending triangle pattern. Okay, so ascending triangle pattern, usually what will happen is that chances are they will actually, they'll move in this direction. Okay, so usually they'll move in this direction, then break out. Okay, break out. So that's why you can see the price actually does break out actually. Right. So you can see the price actually break out. So this is what I call price actions. So price action basically, that's why the course in this price action will teach you how to identify this pattern so that you can, trade this stock, when the price, before the price actually break out, right? So we can see that the breakout is quite nice. And then we have Geo Energy. So Geo Energy still bullish, okay, because still uptrend, right? But right now, quite high already. So you wait for the pullback, okay? Maybe the price will drop and then rebound again. All right. So this is a resistance here. Can so you can see that the price tried to move in this direction as well. Or maybe here. Okay. So there are few what we call that scenario. Right. So we can see that here, okay, and then the price, this one gives a break, okay, here, right, something like this one, okay. So this is a Geo Energy, and then what stock do we have? Golden Energy, right? Golden Energy. Golden Energy also quite strong, okay, quite strong. But the price started to pull back. The price started to pull back, right? So probably pull back here, okay? Because what? Because the support is here, right? Before they, right? Okay, ma. So this is Golden Energy, okay? Golden Energy, all right? And then we have Sembcorp Marine, okay? So Sembcorp Marine is quite interesting, all right? They rebound quite strongly recently, all right? Okay, so you can see that the price is actually rebound quite strongly, right? So rebound Okay, not sure we hit this one, they pull back. Okay, then rebound again. All right. So but anything can happen 所以这个是 for 观察而已就是说你们希望说你们也是会要懂得看图表了因为如果它没有继续上涨的话，如果比如说他们继续下跌的话 ，OK， anything can happen， OK， 所以在股市就是说它随时可以变化了如果我们看它的 pattern 好像要上，但是有时候市场不好，它也是会下跌。所以如果它有下跌，跌破这个支持线的话，就是要止损了好不好 ？All right. So this is quite interesting. Because what? Because the price has been dropping a lot last time. Okay, so last time they used to be quite expensive stocks, right? But then they dropped until 0.08 cent, and then they started to rebound, right? So you can see that this is the resistance here. Okay, 0.112, right? 0.112. Okay, so almost already 0.112. All right, so that's why the resistance might be real one. Okay, they might pull back. Okay, before they break out. Alright, so 你可以看到这个是一个支持点就是 resistance 阻力 ，OK， 阻力差不多在这个0.112了所以如果这几天它继续上涨的话，有可能0.112是一个阻力 ，OK， 阻力过后有可能会套利了套利的话有可能会下跌到差不多0.104，然后再有可能再反弹回去咯好不好？所以现在就不要追了现在就不要追。Then Hong Fook. So Hong Fook, you can see that also went up a lot. All right. So this was my previous drawing. So they break out from here, and the price continue to shoot up. OK， 所以这个股票你就不要买了 ，OK， 暂时不要买先，等它回调了等它回调，有可能它的支持点在这边呢 ，somewhere like that，all right。So the support level would be somewhere around here. Okay, all right. 可以吗？所以如果你们会看图表的话，尤其是希望说你们可以上这个 Mastering Price Action 的课程。所以 Mastering Price Action 的课程我们的策略就是要买在这个差不多它刚刚要反弹的时候我们买进了，我们不是在这个就是说它在下的时候买进，因为如果你他们在下的时候你买进你不知道它几时会反弹，所以通常 Mastering Price Action 的话通常是会在它刚刚有反弹的时候我们就买进了这样的话你就不会套牢咯就是说不会这个是 Hong Fook， right？ Then 另外一个股票的话是 Japfa。 OK， Japfa 的话之前我也是有画这个图表 ，OK， 所以它的 resistance 差不多是在 0.67 了其实是 0.67 的话其实是买进的机会 ，OK， 买进的机会，但是你们要放止损如果它 0.67 跌破的话，你就要 cut 掉咯你就要 cut 掉好不好？所以之前你可以看到它 gap up 的时候，很多人买进所以这个是一个陷阱来的，如果你们不会看的话 ，so this is you have to understand when the price gap up like this one, and then the volume also increase. That means a lot of the retail investor buy when the price gap up. All right. So when they buy upon gap up, they are who is selling to them? Those people who buy near the bottom are selling to the retail investor. Okay, so these are the professional traders. All right, so that's why 知识很重要。上这个股票课程很重要哦。就是说，往往你们每一次就是说，炒股每次输钱，OK，它是有原因的哦。因为炒股不是只有你在玩。几千个人在玩，跟你玩 ，OK。如果你不知道方向，没有这个知识的话，你每次炒股就是会输钱了哦。So basically, stock investment, we are actually, invest together with more than 1,000 people, all right. And then each of them, okay, have their own skill. Only the minority will make money, who actually have the knowledge, okay, who actually learn the stock investment before or attended some of the courses before. All right. So 知识是很重要啦哦。So right now is near support level. Okay. So as long as the price did not drop 0.67, it would be an opportunity to buy. If they drop 0.67, then what happened? Have to cut lah. Okay, have to cut. Right. So Japfa. And then Reit International become weak already, not for you to buy, okay? Not for you to buy. Okay, so we can see the price actually break. Okay, so this sign is not a good sign, okay? Right, so once the price break below the trend line, it's not a good sign anymore. Okay, so that this could means that 庄家已经出场了 ，OK， so 当它这个股票跌破这个支持线过后这个就是说这个状况有可能是这个庄家已经出场了，他们不要玩了所以散户就是不要跟进了不要跟进 ，OK， 有可能它开始有可能会下跌走下滑好不好？So basically, like what I mentioned, if the price break below the trend line, okay, try not to touch the stocks. It might show that the syndicate or maybe the big boy already exit the stocks. Exit the stocks. Okay, so we can continue to observe. Okay, if they are coming back, they will show the similar pattern. They will show the similar pattern. So we have RH PetroGas. So RH PetroGas also become weak already, all right? Become big already. So they move in this direction. So when they move in this direction, what will happen? Okay, either break down or break out. Okay, so there are two scenarios here. Okay, but currently no confirmation yet. So 现在还不能确定是否他们会就是说突破或者是跌破 ，OK， 还没有这个pattern，OK， 所以要 continue to observe 啦 ，alright， continue to observe whether they will go down or break out, alright. So right now it look like very weak already, okay. So you can see they move in the box. So when they move in the box, anything can happen. They can actually break out or they can also break down. So that's why if you are a professional trader, okay, then you got to sit in front of the computer and wait for the price to break out 所以我的意思是说如果你要 trade 这个突破的话，不是很简单，因为你一定要盯盘你没有盯盘的话，就是说你会错过这个机会 ，OK。比如说好像这边这样 ，right？ So we can see that the price move within the box, then after that they break out, right? So similarly, this will happen, okay? But however, the price very weak right now, okay? So chances are they might go down, okay? 50-50。所以现在的状况就是50-50啦 ，OK， 50-50还不确定，好不好？ Then 接下来是新加坡 watch list， Okay, the bank stock already pull back, all right, because index already pull back. Okay, so 银行股票已经回调。Okay, so bank stock, so you can see based on my previous drawing, okay, we have a triple top, all right, so the price actually pull back. So hopefully the price will what? Okay, so will the price continue to sell down? Okay, so we have a support level here. Right, so the price might drop, okay, somewhere here, right? So it might go up or it might pull down. Okay, so this part is important now, all right, because you can see that this one is also a support level, right? Okay, so it's an opportunity, all right, so you just need to wait for the pullback lah. So that's why I say don't buy when the price is too high. Okay, 哦，所以你们98的朋友哦，通常你可以听到我说，诶，如果市场是超买的话，就不要去买它了哦，尤其是这些blue chips 哦，那等它回调的时候，等它回调，然后它的价格差不多在这个支持线哦，so DBS 有两个支持线了哦，一个是32.4毛，另外一个是差不多是在31.4毛了哦。如果32.4毛跌破的话，就是31.4毛。OK，如果32.4毛没有跌破，有可能它会反弹，所以要注意了哦，要注意。Then we have UOB. So UOB also pull back and touches the support level. So UOB also pull back and touch the support level. Let me see. Yep, now the support level. All right, support level is 31.10 cent. 31.10 cent, right? So the next level of the support is 29.60 cent. 29.60 cent. So we have OCBC. Right. So OCBC, okay, is the weakest one. Okay, the price actually dropped below. Is it dropped below? Right. So the price actually near the support level as well. Okay. Interesting. And then what else? SIA, SATS also pull back. 所以这些股票，他们开始回调哦，所以你们就要注意了哦，有可能是买进的机会咯哦，所以你可以看到 resistance 的时候就不要去买它了。Okay, so you can see it's very obvious. All right, so the pattern are repeating by itself. Okay, so this is support, support, support. Okay, and then rebound. Now resistance, and then you don't buy. Okay, so where is the support level? Probably here lah. Will they go down here? All right, so that would depend. Okay, so this is $5.20. Okay, the support level, $5.20. And then we have SATS. Okay, SATS also pull back. Okay, now near the support level as well. Right. Okay. So a bit tricky. Okay, so the price might break below or continue to rebound. Okay, so a bit tricky lah. right? And then SIA Engineering. So you can see that SIA Engineering, they actually went up the most lah. So the support is where? The support is here. So here is important, okay? 2块4毛8 SIA Engineering, right? 如果它没有跌破的话 ，OK， 它的 support 是$2.48, $2.48, right? So if they break below, then what happened? Then this is a support level lah, right? Can. So we have Sembcorp Industries, Singtel, Sembcorp Industries. Sembcorp Industry already mentioned. We have Singtel and ComfortDelGro. Singtel. So Singtel is pretty strong actually, right? So Singtel is a defensive stocks, right? So the price, the support is here. Okay. So I think Singtel got chance, right? Because the price is very strong, okay? It didn't drop much, right? So the support level is 2.57, okay? 2.57, right? 2.57. So it's a buying opportunity, okay? It's a buying opportunity, all right? And then ComfortDelGro. ComfortDelGro is a bit slow, the stock, all right? Still underperform. And then you can see when the price hit resistance, the price actually go down, right? So where's the support? The support somewhere around here. Will it go down? Okay, a bit tricky, okay, a bit tricky, right? But the support level is, the strong support level is 1.42, 1.42, right? But if the price can break above $1.52, okay, then the price might continue to go up. Okay, see, can you see this one? So once the price break, they will go up, right? So now the price is still hovering here, okay? So anything can happen. So the price might move in this direction before they break out, okay? Or break down, okay? Anything can happen, right? So you need to observe lah, huh? And then we have AEM, UMS still very weak, okay? AEM. So EM is a Singapore tech stocks. So when the tech stock pull back, the Singapore tech stock also pull back. So you can see that AEM is quite strong. It didn't drop, right? It didn't drop actually. It didn't drop, okay? Still, but the price near resistance, okay? So if the price break out, then the next resistance would be where? Somewhere around $5.60, okay? $5.60, right? So it's quite strong, okay? Still uptrend, okay? Quite strong and still uptrend. And then we have UMS. So UMS still uptrend, okay? Still uptrend, right? But a bit weak, okay? A bit weak because the price actually break below the support level, right? Okay, so not sure the price will rebound or not. Okay, not sure. So not sure the price will rebound. So they move in the support level and then they break down. Not sure they will rebound, right? So we continue to observe, continue to observe. So the next one is Suntec Reit ParkwayLife. Okay, Suntec Reit, which I mentioned many times previously. Okay, so they rebound very strongly, right? So not okay. So the support is here. In case they pull back, here's the support. This was my previous drawing. The price didn't drop and it continued to go up. Okay, continue to go up very strongly. And then ParkwayLife. So ParkwayLife also uptrend. Okay. Right. So the price pulled back recently. Okay. Right. Maybe the price here. So uptrend still intact. Okay, so uptrend still intact. So you just wait for the pullback in case you want to buy near the support level. Okay. Okay, ma. Then the rest is like Maple3 Industry. Okay. Maple3 Com and Maple3 Logs. Okay, we take a look one of them. Right. They show some rebound actually. Okay. So this is the chain of the trend. Okay. Right. So this chain of the trend. Okay, so the next thing show you is US stocks. Okay, US stock. So recently the US technology stock also pull back. So these are the blue chip. All right, so you take a look the blue chips. Okay, blue chips. You have Microsoft. So Microsoft also dropped. Okay. So where's the support level? The support level is somewhere here. Right. 280. 280. Okay, and then we have AAPL. Okay. So APL support is $157. Okay, $157. All right. And then what else we have? Tesla. Okay, TSLA. So Tesla, the support is here, drop somewhere here. Okay. Yep. Around 940. Okay, 940, the support level. All right. And followed by Nvidia. Nvidia Corporations. So Nvidia Corporation dropped back inside the box. All right. Drop back inside the box. Okay. So the what? The support level is here. 差不多是208块 ，OK， 208块 ，Alright. We have Google, Amazon, GOOG. So they also drop, okay. So most of the tech stock are dropping, okay. It's actually give you opportunity, right? Especially this good fundamental one, okay. And AM check and okay. So here's the support level somewhere here. Right, 2856. All right, and then followed by US stock watch list. Okay, US stock watch list, we have energy stocks, still very strong. And then we have finance, pull back actually. And followed by healthcare, still very strong. And basic material like aluminum, okay, mining, chemical, and copper, okay, they also pull back, okay, maybe it's an opportunity. Right. Okay. So it's a buying opportunity. So if let's say the price rebound, okay, right? So if they break below, then cut. right? So this is aluminium, okay, aluminium, and then FCX, okay, we have XCX. So FCX is quite strong. So the price also pulled back recently. Or somewhere here. Right. So maybe the price will reach here before they bounce and break, then cut. Right. But however, the uptrend still intact now. So this is the US and then Hong Kong. Okay, we have this blue chip which is quite popular, Hong Kong. So Hong Kong is basically long term now, long term. Because what happened is that this for long term. Okay, long term. All right. Okay, maybe I take a look at your stock. So if you have any stocks, DBS can buy for long term. Yes, DBS can buy for long term, right? DBS. The ugly dot, is it time to take profits? Yes, you can take profit. Yeah. Selling volume is quite high for today. Red candle. Yes. So the hourglass can take profit. Wilma also show a standing triangle. Wilma, we take a look. Wilma. All right. This card. Oh, the price actually break down already, so not nice anymore. Okay, so it's a sell opportunity. So it's a sell opportunity, and the support is here, lah. All right, the support is here. Can we still buy AEM? Yes, AEM is quite strong. AEM is quite strong. You see, US tech stock is dropping. AEM didn't drop. Yeah, so AEM is quite strong actually. All right. Delphi. Oh, okay, very downtrend stocks. This one, if you want to buy, you wait for breakout lah. Breakout here. Yeah, this one. Okay, you wait for the breakout. So maybe the price pull back here, here. Break. So you need to continue to observe lah. Oh. So you see the price. Yeah, move. All right. Yeah, in fact, they actually move in the box. So when they move in the box, anything can happen. Or breakdown. Okay. So anything can happen. All right. Next. Next. Okay. Let me see. Next. Here is the support here. Next. Yeah, the support is here. Is it here? Yeah. Right. So this is a doji actually. Okay. Hopefully the price will rebound. All right. So they actually move in the sideways. Next. Bank of America. Bank of America. When is the support level? Is the support level somewhere here? Yeah. So the support level is somewhere here, Bank BOC. So if the price near the $38.33, okay, then you might consider, okay, you might consider. And C can buy or not? C is Citibank. Citibank is not so nice. Citibank's very weak. Citibank is very weak. I show you the other one, HSBC, actually not bad, quite strong. HSBC. Right, so HSBC is quite strong actually. Right, so this is a HSBC. So if you want, you can buy the Singapore Bank lah, DBS. Wait for the pullback of DBS. 可以吗? So DBS 32.4, okay, or 31.3. Singapore Bank also can. Yes, correct. Just now I show you ParkwayLife. Yeah, you can also take a look ParkwayLife. Can you also talk about XGX? XGX. XGX near the resistance. Near the resistance, right? Can you see that? Okay, so the price might pull back, okay, but like what I mentioned, anything can happen, but unlikely it will break out, okay, because normally breakout will need 2 to 3 time attempts, right? So this is the first attempt, second attempt, and then 3 time maybe breakout, okay. So the price mapper 3 lock. Mapper 3 lock. Yeah, mapper 3 lock I mentioned already, okay. So the price actually rebound, okay, opportunity to buy as well, as long as the price is still above the support level, or the price above support level. So we can see that the price started to change the trend, okay. So that's why I say we prefer to buy when the price somewhere, when the price one, let me show, yeah, let me show you, right? So we want to buy when the price rebound, okay. So this is a buying opportunity, right? Cannot. Then for example, like price move and then they move in the sideway, okay. Then they break out. So we want to buy here. This one break out, right? So if the price sell down, then they move in sideway in the box. Then we want to buy here. Okay. So this is what I call price action. Okay, so if the price break down, okay, possible also when the price break down, example, anything can happen, right? Then they move in this way, the price break down. So you sell. right? So we can see that this kind of pattern are actually what we call the price actions, okay, which is very effective. And then most of the time I use these price actions. All right. So okay, let me show you the slide here. Okay. All right. So keep losing money. I think some of you are keep losing money. Okay. 所以我也是了解说有些朋友还是在继续的亏钱了哈。So stressful, right? Okay. 所以压力很大，一直亏钱。So 这个 stressful, right? Okay. The stressfulness so called, right, is because you know what happened is that you never take actions. No actions. Okay. No actions, that's why it become stressful. Okay. So let's say, for example, if you are buying stocks at $10 and if the price keep going down, okay, keep going down, so you are so stressful. Okay, because you did not cut. All right, you did not cut. Okay, but what if you cut? Okay, what if you cut and then you buy here $10? Okay, if the price sell down, okay, okay, you sell here, you cut loss. Okay, so what happens is that the stressfulness will no more. Okay, will no more. All right. So at the end of the day, if you don't take actions, okay, for example, like the price actions cost, okay, the opportunity already in front of you, and then there is also subsidy of the cost price, and you still don't take actions, then the stressfulness will be there lah, okay, forever. All right. 所以这个就是说，如果你没有采取行动的话 ，OK， 这个问题一直会在你的身上啊，它是不会跑掉的哦，它是不会跑掉的。所以你需要 take actions，OK，take 了 action 的话 ，all right， 这个压力就会reduce，OK， 就会 reduce。Right. So today I'm going to share with you on mastering price actions, whereby it can actually help you, right, to reduce your stressfulness. Now, a lot of the retail investor, what they are doing is that they always buy the wrong sector stocks. Okay, they buy the wrong stocks and then they keep for long term, and they do not know what they are buying. And they also buy at the wrong timing. Okay, when the price went up a lot, okay, they buy here. Right, they buy here. Then that's when the price started to sell down. Right, wrong timing. Okay, so do you still remember what I mentioned? Okay, we want to buy when? We want to buy somewhere here, right? We want to buy when the price begin to rebound. Okay, we don't want to buy near too high. We don't want to buy near too high. And then here say from your friend and the stock guru, your friend and the stock guru is not wrong. 有时候你的朋友啊，或者是你的老师给你股票啊，其实他们没有错哎。如果那个股票下跌的话，有可能是你不知道他们采取了，他们用什么策略 ，OK？ 有可能是短线的策略，你不知道。A lot of people they do not know, right? That's why they buy. So you have to understand by looking at the chart before you are buying lah. And then wait for too many confirmation. Reasons because that indicator A asks you to buy, indicator B asks you to sell, indicator B asks you to hold. So you become confused. Okay, so never average down. All right, never average down. Reason is because that you do not know what stock you are buying. Because a lot of time when you buy, okay, you become biased. Okay, you become biased because every time when you buy, you always think that the stock that you buy is a good stock. But in fact, when some of the retail investors show me that their stocks, okay, most of the stock are lousy stock, not the good stocks. All right. And then the solutions, okay, for the problem that you have is a price action strategy. Okay, is a price action strategy. The reason is because that you can spot the pattern. Okay, the pattern always repeat itself. All right, the pattern is always repeat itself, and then which is much more effective way. Reason is because that if you are using the indicator are normally what we call that lagging. Okay, indicator is lagging. So the price actions, today I only show you two of them. One is trend trading, the other one is key level. In fact, price action, there are more steps than that. Okay, there are more steps in the price action. So if you are interested, okay, I suggest you to sign up for this workshop. All right, so this is a new course, okay, called Mastering Price Action. You can scan the QR code first while I do the talking.